And we're back with an all-new episode of the event where we bring you new and amazing products from some awesome brands. So let's get started with our first product, and believe me, you're gonna love this thing. If you need more ground clearance when out on the trail but still need a solid step when getting in and out of your truck, the E-Power steps from Body Armor 4x4 are a great option. These steps are ideal for anyone with a high clearance truck or SUV and are looking to keep easy vehicle access without compromising that ground clearance. Installation is easy thanks to their no-drill design, allowing users to mount them without extensive modifications. This product blends style and practicality, appealing to those who want a sleek vehicle and easy access. The automatic deployment makes it easier to enter lifted vehicles, attracting new buyers. Its off-road durability targets adventurers, while the auto safe stop function adds reassurance for safety-conscious customers. Their dual motor system enhances reliability and performance, while the 600-pound capacity surpasses many competitors. Making your ride look sharp for the show is just part of life for automotive enthusiasts. But it doesn't need to be any more difficult. The hybrid ceramic detailer from the Wizard Select line is going to shine up your ride and get you on the road. Car enthusiasts, professional detailers, and anyone looking to enhance and protect their vehicle's finish should use this product. The process involves shaking, spraying, and wiping off with no complicated steps or heavy preparation. This product targets users seeking a high gloss finish, enhanced protection, and water beading without the time-consuming steps of traditional waxing or ceramic coating. Its quick application and dual function make it appealing for users who want a professional-grade finish with minimal effort. It enhances protection on a variety of surfaces, including ceramic coatings and waxes, and it can be applied in both shade or full sun, offering flexibility. Safety on the job site is extremely important, so having extra visibility is a no-brainer. The Putco YellowJacket LED warning light bar will give you that extra visibility and then some. This product is designed for commercial trucks, contractors, fleet pickups, snow plows, and anyone else who needs enhanced visibility and safety on the road or work site. Installation is simple with basic wiring knowledge requiring no drilling. It includes 3 feet of wiring, and a custom-fit third brake light bracket is included. Its advanced technology and compact size will attract those needing powerful, reliable safety lighting in harsh conditions. The easy installation and durability appeal to commercial and fleet vehicle owners, expanding demand in industries like construction, transportation, and snow plowing. The YellowJacket's combination of compact design, powerful light output, all-weather durability, and custom-fit installation brackets make it superior to standard light bars. Its long-lasting, high-performance features, along with the 10-year warranty, set it apart from other lighting products in the market. These seatback Molle panels are a great addition for Jeep owners who are seeking an effective interior storage solution. These Molle panels will appeal to off-road enthusiasts, overlanders, campers, first responders, and everyday drivers who want secure and versatile storage for tools, med kits, tactical equipment, and other essential gear. The factory netting must be cut and removed before installing the panels, but the process is straightforward for those with basic tools and experience. Since the product only fits vehicles equipped with the OEM seatback netting, buyers should verify compatibility before purchasing. This product addresses a common issue for Jeep owners with the weak factory netting. It boosts off-road and tactical use with more mounting options for gear and encourages adding Molle accessories for added functionality. This product is made of durable steel, offering superior strength compared to fabric or plastic alternatives. Its low-profile design adds storage without compromising passenger comfort. Specifically for Jeep Rubicon and Mojave models, it fits seamlessly with OEM interiors. If you want to learn more about these products, make sure to click the link on screen or in the description to find a local store near you. And if you're a store owner watching the event from TotalTruckCenters.com, make sure to fill out the form at the bottom of this blog article for a chance to win prizes. Thanks for watching the event. I'll see you in the next episode.